Russ. It is time to play Is This Legal?
Let's do it. For anyone out there who hasn't played before, this is where I give you, or we give you, a legal scenario, and you decide how the justice of the peace should decide the case.
That's right.
So today we're going back, as oft we do, to our good friend Jebediah. We're not going Cornelius today. Cornelius, he gets
a week off.
Yeah, exactly.
No royalties for him this week.
Everyone deserves a week off,
Yeah.
I say. Yeah, so hopefully enjoy yourself.
I don't know. I
Cornelius.
think he fights crime in his spare time, though. Like he's
not taking the downtime?
No. I think he works 7 days a week.
He's probably just on the hot on the trail of Black Bart.
Yeah, but in any event, go ahead.
All right, so thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
You may proceed.
So Jebediah decides to give up his moonshine business and look for legitimate work. Probably just sick of Cornelius breathing down his throat all the time.
Exactly.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
His parents happen to run a bed and breakfast. His dad, by the way, is named Ezekiel.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, great. New character. Ezekiel.
Ezekiel. Yeah. I don't know what his mom's name is.
Okay.
We'll
Fair
come
enough.
up with that later. But they run a bed and breakfast, and they tell him they'll leave him the house and business when one of them passes away.
Oh, okay. That's something.
Now, Colin, there's no written contract supporting this, but Jebediah embraces the opportunity. He moves to the property. He invests $50,000, his entire life savings, into the property. He starts advertising the bed and breakfast, and they grow more customers. After 10 years, Jebediah's parents inform him they're actually going to sell the B&B and they're not going to gift it to him at all.
Wow.
Yoink.
Wow.
Yoink.
That's no good. That's going to make Thanksgiving awkward.
That for sure, yeah. So Jebediah, he gets his on-again girlfriend, Myrtle, gets her on the case, and she files...
Lawyer extraordinaire.
Yep, lawyer extraordinaire. She files a civil suit against the parents demanding that his interest in the business prevents them from selling.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
The parents' lawyers ask for the case to be dismissed outright because there was never a contract in place to enforce.
I
What
remember
are
you
you trying
saying
to
that.
enforce?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
No contract.
Yep.
What should the justice of the peace do?
Wow. That's good. Well, first of all, Ezekiel. I don't think up to now Ezekiel's never made an appearance here. Is this his debut?
This is his debut.
All right.
Yeah.
He sounds kind of like a jerk. To be honest,
he does.
You know?
But I mean, it's within his legal rights. Maybe.
Is it? I don't know.
That's the question, right? By the way, your hair today is looking on point.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you'd noticed anything different.
Anyone listening, you can't see, but Colin's hair just primo today.
Your hair, if I may say so myself, is excellent.
Yeah, awesome.
You're starting to go just a little white, actually.
Yeah.
I'm seeing some flecks of it's not gray. I would say it's white.
I feel like I look distinguished, though. All right, I think that's enough time for the people to make their call.
Yeah.
So, Colin, what is the answer?
Well, before we answer, I'm curious if some of our really sharp-minded folks out there identified what we're talking about, because another interesting phrase we're going to be using, this is the doctrine of promissory estoppel. Did any of you guys figure that one out? I'd be amazed if you did.
Yeah, well, there could be some lawyers out there.
Yeah.
It would almost have to be law students.
Right, exactly. I don't think I've seen that phrase since law school.
Yeah.
But this is what promissory estoppel does. It allows for the enforcement of a promise, kind of, if it's the right thing to do. You know, if basically someone makes a promise to someone and certain elements are met, that promise can be enforced even without a contract.
Yeah.
Let me go into it in a little bit more detail. So, promissory estoppel, the legal doctrine of promissory estoppel allows a party to enforce a promise if a clear and definite promise was made.
1.
If the promisor should reasonably expect the promisee to rely on it.
2.
If the promisee does indeed rely on it to their detriment.
Similar to 2, but different.
And 4, injustice can be avoided by enforcing. Injustice can only be avoided by enforcing the promise.
All right, there you go. So this case, this seems like it hits all the prongs.
It does. We know. So we have a clear promise.
Yep.
That's undisputed. The parents
said, "I'll give it to you."
They made that promise, and there's no disputing that. Foreseeable reliance, I mean, he went and moved to the property, he invested into the property, he advertised for the property, ran it for 10 years.
He did rely on it.
So that goes to the third prong as well, actual reliance. He did all of those things and relied on the idea that he would inherit this B&B. And number 4, the fourth prong, injustice can only be avoided by enforcing the promise.
There it is.
So the court
Jebediah, you win.
Yeah, the court could probably say, well, look, we're enforcing the promise. Parents, you can't sell it. You have to gift it to Jebediah as originally intended, or you have to pay Jebediah damages for any loss that he incurred relying on the promise.
Right, any equitable resolution. So make him whole, either enforce it or pay him back, and then probably pay him interest and maybe pay him some other equitable income.
Yeah, something to make it right. Yeah.
Right.
So this is an equitable remedy under the law. That's what we call it. We're on the estoppels, man. I think we did collateral estoppel, maybe last one or the one before it. But so we're hitting all these Latin terms.
Estoppels.
Yeah. So Jebediah wins. How'd you guys do at home? Did you get this one? There's always plenty of opportunity in the future.
Yeah. Don't despair.
Yeah.